Welcome, math warriors, to Brainy Hacks. Before we dive into the land of real numbers, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today, we're diving deep into the world of numbers that keep it real. No imaginary nonsense here. But beware, this journey is full of tricky properties, sneaky pitfalls, and of course, plenty of laughs. If you enjoyed today's adventure, make sure to like and share the video with your friends. Ready to keep it real? Let's jump right in. To start our journey, let's spin the real numbers wheel to see where we land first. Types of real numbers. First stop, the world of real numbers. But what exactly are real numbers? They're basically all the numbers you can think of, except the imaginary ones. Let's break it down. First, natural numbers, for example 1, 2, 3, and so on. These are the counting numbers. The ones you use to count your victories in video games, or how many slices of pizza you've eaten. Second, whole numbers. For example 0, 1, 2. The same as natural numbers, but now we're including 0. Because sometimes you win nothing. Third, integers. For example -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Add negatives to the mix. Like when you owe your friend $2, those are negative integers. Fourth, rational numbers 1/2, 2/3, 4/1. Fractions and decimals that either terminate or repeat. Like when you split a pizza into pieces and you get exactly half. Fifth, irrational numbers. For example pi, √2. These guys are a bit weird. Decimals that go on forever without repeating. Like that one friend who never stops talking about their favorite TV show. So, in this pizza of real numbers, we've got all sorts of slices, from perfect halves to those with never-ending toppings. All right, let's play a quick game. Name that number. I'll describe a number and you tell me which type it is. 1. I'm a number that's used for counting your lucky stars. Answer is natural number. 2. I'm a fraction, but my decimal version goes on forever without repeating. Answer is irrational number. 3. I'm the number of times you've forgotten your homework this month. It's 0. Answer is whole number. 4. I'm a negative number that tells you how many dollars you owe your friend. Answer is integer. How did you do? Remember, real numbers are everywhere, even in your piggy bank. Second stop, properties of real numbers. Welcome to the magical world of real number properties. Now, we'll explore some enchanted properties that make real numbers so real. Commutative property. A plus b equals b plus a or a equals ba. This one's like switching seats with your friend. It doesn't matter who sits where. The total number of seats remains the same. Associative property. A plus b plus c equals a plus b plus c, or c equals a bc. Think of it like grouping your favorite snacks. It doesn't matter how you group them. You still have the same amount of snacks. Distributive property. A b plus c equals a plus ac. This one's like being generous at a party. If you bring a gift for each person, you're distributing the love. Identity property. A plus 0 equals a or a times 1 equals a. The magic number stays the same when you add 0 or multiply by 1. It's like having a clone. Everything remains identical. Inverse property. A plus. A equals 0 or a times 1/a equals 1. This is where you reverse things, like pressing the undo button to cancel out your last move. Ta-da! The number disappears because we used the inverse property. Magic? No, just math. Now, beware of this common pitfall, mixing up properties. Let's say you tried to use the associative property with subtraction. Big mistake. Remember, subtraction and division don't always play nice with these properties, so keep them straight. Let's see if you've mastered the magic. Pause the video and match the property to the correct example. 1. Commutative. 2. Distributive. 3. Associative. 4. Identity. If you got them right, give yourself a round of applause or a pizza slice, your choice. Now, let's see these real numbers in action. Just like baking a cake, using real numbers in equations requires the right mix. Too much or too little of one ingredient, and your cake, or equation, flops. Whether you're baking, budgeting, or just splitting pizza, real numbers keep everything in check. One of the biggest blunders? Misplacing the decimal. Let's see what happens when you accidentally move it. Ouch! That's why it's crucial to keep your decimals in the right spot, especially when money's involved. Fix the flub. In this segment, I'll give you a mistake, and you have to fix it. Ready? 1. John added 1.5 and 0.75, but he got 15.75. What went wrong? Answer. He misplaced the decimal. 2. Sarah tried to use the commutative property on division and ended up with a different result. Why? Answer. Commutative property doesn't apply to division. 3. Ben wrote square root 16 equals 8. What's the correct answer? Answer. Square root 16 equals 4, not 8. Correct those flubs, and you're on your way to being a real number ninja. Congratulations! You've mastered the world of real numbers. You've learned the types, properties, common mistakes, and even practiced your skills. Now, go forth and conquer the math world with your new knowledge, and remember, keep it real. Until next time, keep your numbers real and your math skills sharp. See you in the next adventure.